So look, guys, I am not going to apologize as a South African citizen for saying that I agree with another South African citizen, Jacinta, who makes the statement that South Africa cannot be the solution, and I'm loosely translating here. South Africa cannot be the solution to other foreign countries with problems. You might find her statement ugly, but it's a truthful statement. In the same way, I'm not going to apologize for recently visiting Johannesburg and stating that it's unacceptable that large industrial and suburban areas are overrun by foreigners. And by stating that it will become a problem when foreign men start to outnumber local men, you will have a problem. I will not apologize for that. It's unacceptable and it's unsustainable. And lastly, I'm not going to apologize for saying that the South African citizenship should mean something when you're in your own land. It should mean that whether you're black, white, Indian, colored, green, yellow, whatever it is, but you're a South African citizen, you should be granted priority at the public health sector. Now, people might disagree with me, and it's especially those I know who are in a privileged position who can afford medical aid, because they have access to the best medical facilities. But millions of South Africans don't. And categorically, I believe that they should be granted priority when it comes to our public health sector. Now, you might find that ugly, and you might disagree with it, and that's within your right. But ultimately,
Ngiyakubingelela Mbukeli. Unamuzwa ubhuti webeka umbono wakhe uthi cha akaxolise ngombono wakhe. Uyavumelana naJacinta ukuthi iSouth Africa ngathi iseyisixazululo kulamanye amazwe. Wonke umuntu oqhamuka emazweni angaphandle yena nje ucabanga ukuthi ayizele South Africa. Lokho kuhlukumeza abantu bale South Africa. Kwi-industrial nasezikhungweni zikahulumeni njengasesibhedlela kuthi kugcwala kakhulu abantu bangaphandle. Ufisa ngathi ukuba ne-green ID or ukuba yi-South African citizen makudlale indima ethizeni. Kuthi nje uma usendaweni esibhedlela noma ikuphi kube wuwe oprioritizwa kuqala then kunabantu bangaphandle abavela emazweni angaphandle. Uthi uvakashile nje koJozi wabona hayibo industrial iphethwe abantu bangaphandle izindlu kumasabhaku residential yibo abaona kakhulu izindlu. Uthi hey akumphathi kahle lokho. Mbukeli, please awukuphawule ukuthi wena uthini ngalombono kabhuti. Siphinde sibonane evini elandelayo. Ube nosuku oluhle. Bye bye.